Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Satsmax token. Ticker symbol is SATS2. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 15th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Satsmax token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Satsmax Developer Services is open to community developers, allowing you to explore the world of Bitcoin and ordinal numbers. You can use the API to deploy your own burning service, build wallet applications, develop browsers, and more. So, Satsmax is being listed December 15th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the SATS2 token, all you would have to do is, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. All you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SATS2, and then simply just buy the token. Now, according to their BSC scan, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. They only have 3 holders so far, so it's safe to assume that this is not even listed on PancakeSwap yet or any other exchanges. Tomorrow will be their initial listing date, it seems. 18 decimal places on this token, and there's a max total supply of 21 million SATS2 tokens. You can follow their Telegram at Satsmax Coin. They have 10,611 members on the Telegram so far. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there. At Satsmax, 25 tweets so far. Says they're from Indonesia. 10,100 Twitter followers. And it has a link to their webpage on there, satsmax.com. And over there you can find all sorts of ordinal projects. It shows you all the pictures. It has a launch pad. It shows you what's trending. And you could subscribe to a newsletter. So it says the serial number is carved into stone. Gone are the days of burning books and manipulation history. Ordinal numbers are information that exist forever on the Bitcoin blockchain. And it says you can register now. They have all sorts of partners on here, like Slack, Awards, DAO Maker, Coinbase, WPML, Microsoft, Aragon, etc. So it says the community supported a Bitcoin metaverse protocol. Own your own Bitcoin block and build on it. And then it has links to their socials at the bottom of the webpage. Collect them all. Be the true ownership for players. Buy, sell, and collect the Bitcoin items. Let's explore the world of Bitcoin and ordinal numbers. At the top of their page, you can click on Launchpad, Trending, Partners. You can change the language. So they do have a white paper. It'll take you over to satsmax.gitbook.io/white-paper. Imagine a physical artifact, a rare coin, say held safe for years in the dark, secret clutch from the Viking horde and now dug from the earth and by your grasping hands. It has an owner, you, and as long as you keep it safe, no one can take it from you. And it can only be changed by you. If you were a trader, you would make your way to the 18th century China. None but you could stamp on it with a chop mark and it could only be disposed by you. The sale, trade, or gift is yours to make to whomever you wish. What are digital artifacts? Simply put, they are the equivalent of physical artifacts. For a digital thing to be a digital artifact, it must be a coin of yours. Digital artifacts can have owners. A number is not a digital artifact because nobody can own it. Digital artifacts are complete. An NFT that points to off-chain content on IPFS or Arweave is incomplete and thus not a digital artifact. Digital artifacts are permissionless. An NFT which cannot be sold without paying a royalty is not permissionless and thus not a digital artifact. Digital artifacts are uncensorable. Perhaps you can change the database entry on a centralized ledger today, but maybe not tomorrow, and thus one cannot be a digital artifact. Digital artifacts are immutable. An NFT with an upgrade key is not a digital artifact. The definition of digital artifacts is intended to reflect what NFTs should be, sometimes are, and what inscriptions always are by their very nature. That's an interesting way to put it. So inscriptions inscribe Satsmax with arbitrary content, creating Bitcoin native digital artifacts, more commonly known as NFTs. Inscriptions do not require a sidechain or separate token. These inscribed Satsmax can then be transferred using Bitcoin transactions, sent to Bitcoin addresses, and held in Bitcoin UTXOs. These transaction addresses and UTXOs are normal Bitcoin transactions, addresses, and UTXOs in all respect, with the exception that in order to send individual Satsmax, transactions must control the order of value of inputs and outputs according to the Ordinal theory. The inscription content model is that of a web. An inscription consists of a content type known as a MIME type, and the content itself, which is a byte string. This allows inscription content to be returned to the web server and for creating HTML inscriptions that use the remix of content of other inscriptions. Inscription content is entirely on-chain, stored in Taproot script path, and spent scripts. Taproot scripts have a very few restrictions on their content and additionally receive the witness discount, making inscription content storage relatively economical. So you can read more about the metadata, provenance, recursion, and pointer, and all that type of stuff on their white paper. But their token here, 21 million total supply. You can use the token for payments and transactions. We're talking about the SAT2.0 token here. Smart contracts and decentralized applications, cross-chain operations, community and developer incentives, and you can also use it for digital asset management and investment. So check out all the info at satsmax.gitbook.io/white-paper. Check out their webpage that has the launch pad on it and all sorts of trending collections. Check out their social out here, and if you're looking to get this token, like I said, I do have an Mexc global referral code down there in the description box, so check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.